न थके हैं कभी पैर, न कभी हिम्मत हारी है। वाह वाह करिए आप लोग। न थके हैं कभी पैर, न हिम्मत कभी हारी है। जज्बा है कुछ बनने का जिंदगी में, इसीलिए सफर जारी है।
ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात होगी कि आप उस पोजीशन पे पहुँचे, उस ऊंचाई पे पहुँचे कि हम बोल सके कि हमारी बच्चियाँ ही, हमने इनको पढ़ाया है, प्रिपेयर किया है। On this very tough path of success, American will be always with you as your mentor, guider, supporter in difficult times as well as for lifetime. Thanks मैम की आवाज़ एक ही से आई है बस। Thank you. Do you know the Indian National Congress Party? कौन कौन जानता है?
What is left after spending? Instead spend what is left after saving. Good morning respected teachers. Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavna Sonkar. I live in Police Line Prayagraj. I have completed my graduation from the University of the Allahabad from the commerce stream, and also I am preparing for the chartered accountancy course in which I have cleared the CA foundation and preparing for the CA intermediate examination. That's all about my introduction. Now I am going to tell about the union budget of 2023. But before I start, I want to give you a brief description of the what is the budget and why it is important not only for the government or a business but also for the normal people or daily use housewife or individual. So what is the budget? Budget is a tool to track how and when to earn or spend money, and budget can also help you to use how to manage your money in a efficient way, and budget also help to set a financial goal, and it reduce the burden of money spending and also remove the risk of the financial. And then what is it important? It reduce the debt exposure, it relieves the financial stress, and it also helpful for the emergency. If you have no money, then you can collect it from your budget. And then fourth one is it increases and make the awareness of financial situations. That's all about the budget and it's important. Now I'm going to tell about the union budget of 2023, which is presented by our financial minister Nirmala Sitharaman. She presented her fifth union budget on
Riva, currently living in Prayagraj for a study purpose. So I would like to tell a story. M in life. You know M? You know? You don't know? No. Okay, I tell you. So life without M is useless, pointless and aimless. Life is God's great blessing of God. It should be spent on a purpose with certain aim. Otherwise there will be no difference between the life of man and animal. So the question is, what is my aim and what I want to become? So I want to become a teacher, but the question is why I want to become a teacher? There are many other professions like engineer, doctor, trader, shopkeeper who earning a lots of rupee daily. So why only a teacher? So I want to be teacher because I love this profession. Not only that, I love it, but also for its greatness. I think teaching is the more than a job. It requires dedication, patience and a commitment for improve yourself. I have deep passion for education and great desire to inspire young mind. The teacher have shaped the world, and they can ignite curiosity and foster in love for learning. They help students fulfill their potential. So I want to be part of this type transformative process. So in my classroom,
I am standing here to represent our company. My company is Desire SK Green Infra. It is a real estate company. You know about real estate? Real estate basically sell, our company basically sell plots and flat. Our company motto is हमारा सपना सबका घर हो अपना, because in present time investment is most important. If I purchase a car to investment our money in purchasing car, so we are not get a good result. if I invest
सुनकर उनकी डांट न हार का मुंह देखोगे, सुनकर उनकी डांट न हार का मुंह देखोगे, ठंडी रातों में भी सुकून का कंबल सेकोगे। वो फरिश्ता जिसे पिता कहते हैं, वो फरिश्ता जिसे पिता कहते हैं, उनके आगे झुका लो नज़र अभी, उम्र भर बस कामयाबी का रास्ता देखोगे। होता है ना, मतलब पेरेंट्स जब बच्चे पैदा होते हैं तभी से उनके बीच जनरली डिबेट होने लगता है कि बच्चा किसके में पड़ा है। मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था। लाइक सो आई वॉज रिलेट आई गेस। सब कहते हैं तू अपने माँ से दिखती है, सब कहते हैं तू अपने माँ से दिखती है, मेरी पापा की मुस्कान मुझे देखकर खिलती है। सूरत माँ सी सीरत पापा सी लेकर, सूरत माँ सी सीरत पापा सी लेकर, उन दोनों से एहसान लिए आज ये बेटी अपने शब्दों में लिखती है। मैं अपने पापा की परी हूँ, मैं अपने पापा की परी हूँ, माँ के लिए जैसे खुशियों की घड़ी हूँ, माँ के लिए जैसे खुशियों की घड़ी हूँ। बस मेरी कामयाबी की दुआ करते हैं ये दोनों, इसलिए उनका हर सपना पूरा करने मैं अपने ज़िद पर अड़ी हूँ। तबीयत ख़राब होती है मेरी तो दवाई ज़िद करके खिलाती है मम्मा, तबीयत ख़राब होती है मेरी तो दवाई ज़िद करके खिलाती है, खाना ना खाने पर 2-4 थप्पड़ भी लगाती है और निवाला मुंह में ही दे जाती है। मैं अक्सर सोचती हूँ इतना प्यार कहाँ से लाती है माँ मेरी, मैं अक्सर सोचती हूँ इतना प्यार कहाँ से लाती है माँ मेरी। सबका ध्यान रखते रखते वो खुद को भूल जाती है, सबका ध्यान रखते रखते वो खुद को भूल जाती है। और फादर्स को लोग कहते हैं कि लाइक सबके फादर्स बहुत गुस्से वाले होते हैं, मेरे फादर्स ऐसे नहीं हैं, मेरे फादर ऐसे नहीं हैं। उनका गुस्सा, मम्मी बताती थी बचपन से ही कि उनका गुस्सा एक उबले दूध की तरह है। लाइक उबलता हुआ दूध जैसे फ्लेम तेज़ करो तो उबलने लगता है, फिर तुरंत शांत हो जाता है, वैसे ही मेरे फादर। मम्मी बताती थी सूरज सा गुस्सा है पापा का मेरे, सूरज सा गुस्सा है पापा का मेरे, और शांत तो ऐसे होते हैं जैसे सूरज को तुरंत बादल हैं घेरे। जादूगर हैं वो बिन मांगे सब कुछ ला देते हैं, जादूगर हैं वो बिन मांगे सब कुछ ला देते हैं, सच कहूँ तो वर्ल्ड बेस्ट पापा हैं मेरे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर।
I talk about its feature. It is very good in quality. It is very smooth. It is very smooth if we use it, and if it is also used for coloring and the calligraphy also. It is also have a very two benefits feature, and it has a very two benefit also. If we don't have any if we don't have a watercolor, we can also use it as a watercolor by coloring on the plastic wraps, and if we put the brush on the plastic wrap, it will become in a watercolor. And it has a very valuable price, just for 26 pieces of color it is in just 400. There is no discount, and it is came from the company. And if I talk about its
जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला, जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला। कह रही है हर नज़र बंदा परवर शुक्रिया। कह रही है हर नज़र बंदा परवर शुक्रिया। हंस के अपनी ज़िंदगी में कर लिया शामिल मुझे। आपकी नज़रों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे। दिल की है धड़कन संभल जा, मिल गई मंजिल।
I am from Bihar. So today I tell about the topic of India Forever Company and their benefits and their qualities. Firstly, India Forever Company is established in the year of 1978 as a leading of service, manufacturing and their products.
के क्योंकि आप महिलाएं हैं इसलिए दुनिया आप पर अपने सोच थोपेंगी। क्योंकि आप महिलाएं हैं इसलिए दुनिया आप पर अपनी सोच थोपेंगी। वे आपको बताएंगे किससे व्यवहार करें, कैसे कपड़े पहने, आप किससे मिल सकते हैं और आप कहाँ जा सकते हैं। मेरा महिलाओं से यही कहना है कि लोगों के फैसले की छाया को ना रहने, अपने खुद के ज्ञान के प्रकाश को अपनी पसंद और नापसंद तय करें। ये अमिताभ बच्चन जी कुछ शब्द थे जनाब सामने मैंने व्यक्त।
Problem, a state of affairs that negatively affects the personal or social lives of individuals and well-being of communities within a society, and about which there is a usually public and disagreement to its nature, causes and solution. There are few social issues in India: illiteracy, education, poor sanitary.
Country in the world for the population 1.3 billion, and we know the Indian capital city is New Delhi, and there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Talking about government, in the present time, Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, and the President of India is Draupadi Murmu. That's all about India. Now I am going to introduce to Indian culture. India has a diversity and distinct culture.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी कि दर्द गम डर जो भी है, कि दर्द गम डर जो भी है वो बस आपके अंदर है। आप दुनिया से नहीं खुद के बनाए पिंजरे में फंसे हुए हैं, कि आप दुनिया के नहीं खुद के बनाए पिंजरे में फंसे हुए हैं। इससे बाहर निकल कर देखिए तो पता चलेगा कि वास्तव में आप भी एक सिकंदर हैं। अगर आप लगातार मजबूरियों से जूझ रहे हैं तो एक बात हमेशा याद रखना कि सितारे कभी अंधेरे के बिना नहीं चमकते हैं। सो खुद पर करके यकीन, मंजिल पर चल दीजिए और ज़्यादा परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अपने इरादों को बल दीजिए। अगर लाइफ में कठिनाई आए तो एक बात हमेशा याद रखना कि मुश्किल रोल हमेशा अच्छे एक्टर को ही दिए जाते हैं।
माई परफॉर्मेंस इज डांस एंड नैनो वाले ने सॉन्ग।
Nyaleka. I am from Prayagraj. Currently, I live in Bairana. So recently, I have completed my graduation in technical field, which is from engineering. I am an electrical engineer. So I am also a mandala artist, not by profession but self-taught artist. And my hobbies are reading, writing, and drawing. You can contact me for drawing. So I would love to give you for my handmade drawings. So for today, my topic is engineering. Okay, so I am very passionate about engineering. So engineering is the process like building, testing, and our manufactures our machines. Okay, the process we use to calculate, like we using for engineering maths and science. Engineering is a discipline that is dedicated to problems.
He was always supporting for me for any situation, and he is very hard working, and it is always very struggle for us, and he is very good in nature, and he is always supporting for me, and he solve all problem for me.
Self confidence is undoubtedly key to success. It means person independent and positive in life. Self confidence helps us individual successful face day to day demands and challenges. A person can deal with
इससे पहले गुजारिश है
तुम भी मुझसे प्यार कर लो.
Siddharth Nagar, and I have done my graduation from University of Allahabad, and I want to become a cabin crew. That's why I'm here to improve my English. I am very delighted to discuss your very interesting topic, mind versus money. Before start my topic, I would like to share you, both are equally important for us. Both are equally important for our life. So my topic is mind. Mind creates idea, and mind transform idea into reality. Mind is the thing which can help you spread your manner. Mind is the thing which can help you learn a lot of things as ordinary. And mind is the root of creative idea, and an idea shows the mission and vision. If we have money, then we can complete our mission, okay? But if you don't have mind, then how can you create it? And when we can't create it, then how can we complete it? So mind is a very important part of our life, and with the help of mind, we can live anywhere in the country, and we can.
So everyone want to achieve success and to do something big in this life or in this world. So, but there is an excited thing. Failure is also associated with success, and when failure surround us from all sides, then at this moment we need motivation to move forward. And from these troubles and difficulties, some people give up, but some people decide to move forward. For example, when we fly high, then some people throw stones at us. So just ignore those people who throw stone at.
दूर हो जिसके दिल में वो हताश कैसा होगा, कार्यक्रम के इस रंग का मिजाज कैसा होगा, बिन तालियों के हमें ये एहसास कैसा होगा.
फूटे अल्फाज लिए, बिखरे सिमटे जज्बात लिए, कुछ पल जीने की आस लिए, एक हाथ में माँ का हाथ लिए, वो बेटी माँ से बोल पड़ी, मुझे दर्द सभी ये पीना है, माँ मुझे अभी जीना है, मेरी माँ मुझे अभी जीना है. क्या हुआ माँ, जो हंसी ख्वाब देखा था वो सब तो टूट गया, पर माँ पड़े तेजाबों से क्रूपता भी तो पछताई होगी. आखिरी शाम है मेरी इस गांव में, आज आखिरी शाम है मेरी, कुछ इस कदर बसी है यहाँ की हवाएं मुझ में, और इन हवाओं में बसी हैं कुछ यादें मेरी, और यहाँ इन लोगों में बसी है कुछ यादें मेरी, और इन लोगों की खिलखिलाती हुई सी हंसी कैसे छोड़ के जाऊँ इस गांव को, इस गांव में आज आखिरी रात है मेरी.
Now I am going to introduce myself. I am Bushra Siddiqui. I am from Prayagraj. I have done my class 10th and 12th from Prayagraj. I am a student of AIL. Today my topic is importance of communication skill. All of us share our day-to-day life experience through a medium. It can be thought, our feelings, our gesture of way of speaking. There are different types of.
So life skill are abilities and knowledge that enable individual to navigate and manage their daily lives, and they are essential for success in both personal and professional pursuits, and play a critical role for achieving their goals and aspirations. Now I am tell you some of the important reasons why life skills are so crucial. So first is self-awareness and understanding, and second is effective communication, third is problem solving, and fourth is decision making.
Is why India is so great. India is considered to be the greatest and most diverse culture in the world. It makes India a great country. It is the birthplace of old religion. It is a pilgrimage of more than 15 crore people. Here you will find the thought of Buddha, which gives you a peace of mind. Here you will find the prayer of Jesus. Here you will find Vaheguru Ardas. India is a country where you will find both Rahim Kheer and Ram Prasad. It is a beautiful glimpse. It is a beautiful glimpse of unity.
plays a very importance in our life. Education given me more opportunities, and education make us bright future. Education teach us how to live in behave socially, and education teach us how to independent, and by education you can know other countries of history, and by education you can develop your independence. You can, and also problem is
was born 12 January 1863 in Kolkata, India. From young age, he displayed immense prowess and a deep longing for spiritual knowledge. He become
the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was also known as Missile Man of India. There are some quotes that given by APJ Abdul Kalam. First, don't let failure stop you. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Next, don't waste time. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Don't let challenges bring you down. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Think outside the box. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above. Keep working even after you succeed. This is very famous quote for you, all of you. Don't take a rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lives are waiting to see you that your first victory was just a luck. Maintain good habits. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future.
And I am pursuing law. So today I am going to tell about the most powerful thing in the world. Any guesses? Yes. What? Okay. So, and if you understand how to handle, if you learn, believe me, you will be able to do everything you dream of. The powerful thing I am talking about is time. Do you know what is difference between successful person and unsuccessful person? Successful person knows where to spend his time and money, but unsuccessful person don't know. So, what is the...
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now I am going to tell about myself. My name is Soumya Singh. I am from Pratapgarh. Currently, I am living in Prayagraj. Today's my topic is a love marriage. We should know that meaning of marriage. It is a lifelong commitment and so that decision to choose our life partner should be in one's and on hands. In love marriage,
तेरी गलियों में ना रखेंगे कदम आज के बाद, तेरी गलियों में ना रखेंगे कदम आज के बाद, तेरे मिलने को ना आएंगे सनम आज के बाद, तेरी गलियों में तू मेरा मिलना समझ लेना एक सपना था, तू तुझको अब मिल ही गया जो तेरा अपना था। तू मेरा मिलना समझ लेना एक सपना था। तुझको अब मिल ही गया जो तेरा अपना था। हमको दुनिया में समझना ना सनम, आज के बाद तेरी गलियों में ना रखेंगे कदम, आज के बाद।
And I study in class 11. Today I would like to talk about an important topic which is a major threat to children's rights, and that is child labor. Child labor is a crime in which children are forced to work at very young age, and it's considered illegal activities because the children between the age of 5 to 15 are.
Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ananya Yadav. Basically, I am from Ambedkar Nagar, but currently I am living in Prayagraj for study. I am a student of BTech in Computer Science. Now I want to share my personal experience to related my preparation journey of IIT JEE. Starting with my journey, I have passed my class 12th in year 2021 with 82% by the UP board, and it was always clear for me that I have to become an engineer just for a case that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a one, although he was a scientist, and I am willing to follow his footsteps, achieve my aim. After becoming an engineer is to join ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and to work with Dr. Keshwan sir. I will get back to that again. Now let me tell you about my journey after passing class 12. I decided to have
So I'm going to tell about education. Education is very important in our life, and you all know that education is basic requirement of life in livelihood. And if you want to better life, so if achieve better education, because without education life is like a big garden without flowers. So, and according to me, education have the many areas like economical sector, political sector, remove atrocity and gender equality, and remove remove child labor, and remove patriarchal mindset. And if we collect have this is only because of education, because I know many of us after gaining better education so contribute our society, country and nation. I want to share with you present time education policy is not good, especially
of water. So as we know, water is the most essential part of every living things. Water is the most valuable things that because without water life can never be imagined. Every living things needs water for their survival. We need it for water for various type, for like drinking, washing, cooking and etc. Just like there is no life without oxygen, there is no existence without water. Even 70% of our body is filled with water, so water is essential part of our life. 71% of Earth's surface area is also covered by water, but little amount of pure drinking water is present on the Earth. So it is necessary to save water. Wastage of water needs to be controlled, and it is
अच्छा है, बेटर है कि हम अपने साथ एक बॉटल कैरी कर ले। सिर्फ पानी अपने नॉर्मली जैसे घर का पानी हो, कहीं के बाहर का पानी कितने लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, कितने लोगों को नहीं अच्छा लगता है, तो हम अपने साथ एक बॉटल का पानी भी केयर कर सकते हैं। तो हमारा ये बॉटल है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है ना ज़्यादा छोटा है, मिनिमम सिर्फ खुद के लिए सब कर सकते हैं, ना ज़्यादा बड़ा है ना छोटा है। तो इसके साथ हम अपने बैग में भी कैरी कर सकते हैं। जैसे मैं प्लीज़ बैग।
I am here to speak on the topic of importance of education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. For that is very important to get a proper education. The word education is not only means acquiring knowledge. The first objective
Greek words poio means create or to do.
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की हर धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे। सॉरी, नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे। सॉरी।
सफ़र मेरा तू बने ना बने, फासलों से मेरा प्यार होगा न कम, तू न होगा कभी अब जुदा। मैंने तेरा नाम दिल रख दिया, मैंने तेरा नाम दिल रख दिया, धड़केगा तू मुझ में सदा। मैंने तेरा नाम दिल रख दिया कि वास्ते कभी मेरा ये प्यार।
As you know that women are backbone of our country in agriculture. They are doing hard work in field like preparation of field, preparation of crops and weeding, sowing in intercultural fields and harvesting. 14% of women have their own lands and they do work in own land, and other 86% of women have other lands and they do work in others land. Challenge faced by women are child marriage and gender discriminations and lack of education. Thank you for appreciating me.
क्या करें हम भरे इन नयन से, हृदय रो रहा है आपके गमन से। विदा क्या करें हम भरे इन नयन से, हृदय रो रहा है आपके गमन से। विदाई की बेला है दुआ कर रहे।
जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे धीरे
India is the located west of Asia. India is the collection of 28 state and 8 union territories. And India is no national language. There is state language in Hindi. India having a different religious, different languages and different culture also. India, the largest state of India in terms of area, Rajasthan, and the smallest is